tuning in from a park. This is my tree crown. This is my squirrel friend right here. I'll have to do a video of like them up close. It's one of my spirit animals. So right here. So one of the things I want to say is that I think I genuinely need YouTube to keep me going. I need YouTube to help me with my goals, helps me stay on track with my health and all kinds of things. There's my squirrel. Here's the squirrel. I'm not getting too close. Wait. There's probably poison oak on the top right, and it's telling me to stay away.